What is up, guys? It's Ty again. Back out here at the same spot again. We're doing another episode. Quick fishing trips. So, bought some completely new stuff to fish today. Some stuff I've never caught any baits on. Man, I'm hearing the water getting in there already. Yeah, so we're coming right here. I'm gonna try this side first. If someone moves in, and I'll move. Try this side. I'm gonna try to stand out for those. Got a top water today. Kind of a flipping style bait. Drop shot, which I haven't thrown out here at all. And lastly, a lipless. So here we go, guys. We're on the water. Drop shot, guys. A little bit. I think it'll nibble. We're gonna try this flipping. Alright, guys, nothing on the Texas Reef. I'm gonna switch to a little lipless. Oh, yes. I felt like this was a good little bait, man. Hook this in again. There you go, guys. There you go. Got it out, guys. It's a little guy, but still. Alright, guys. So we're gonna make a move real quick, guys. I'm gonna come out here. My buddy was out here the other day lighting them up on top of the rocks. So I'm gonna try this. And that. I'm gonna try to get both of them at the same time. So bass right here, guys, just swimming around. Absolute chilling. It's little babies though. Alright guys, so we're on the move. One final spot. I head back to work for a few. And then off to soccer practice. So. Things up here. It's starting to get pretty windy out here, which actually feels great because I'm sweating and extremely hot. Like I said, I gotta go back to work for a little bit. Then I'm headed to soccer. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Again, this is the quick fishing trips. Only caught one this time. Tried 3 different spots on the same lake. 4 different presentations. Got one to bite. Talk to you soon. Peace, peace.